Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the Orchard Grammar School Mathematics class. I hope you all are happy and healthy at home. Today, we will be learning about column addition for whole numbers. The aim of our lesson is to add numbers with up to 2 digits and 3 digits with the help of formal written methods. Let's put on your thinking cap and remember you can always pause the video if you need a more little time to think about your answer. Let's recall some addition questions. Can you tell me when we add 142 and 8 what result we get? Yes, that's 150. When you add 371 and 9 mentally, what result we get? Yes, that's 380. And when we add 256 plus 5 mentally, what results we get? That's 261. Now, suppose if you have to add two 3 digits number, so can you solve this calculation mentally? If no, what's the reason behind that? The reason behind this is that we cannot add 2 digits mentally. We need to do this by using column addition. Suppose, for example, we need to add 46 to 233. So we need to keep in mind that units are lined up vertically and the tens are lined up vertically. So the steps to follow are, you have to first arrange the numbers as per the place value. After arranging the numbers, add all the digits in each column starting from right hand side and then you have to regroup if needed. Keep in mind that when we add two numbers, it is known as addends and the result we get is sum. Let's take an example by adding two digits numbers. When we want to add 13 and 80, we get the answer 93. Now, when we want to add 90 plus 6, we will add these both numbers together and the answer will be 96. So now here I have the number 421. It's same as 4 in the hundreds place. So that 400, 2 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. So actually 421 squares are drawn. Now the second is 235. In 235 there are 2 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. So actually there are 235 squares drawn. When we add these both numbers together, or you can say when I add all these squares together, the answer we get is 656. Now let's add two 3-digit numbers. John writes down the number 734. He has some digit cards, that is 2, 6 and 1. So he uses his digit cards to make a 3-digit number. Keep in mind when he adds that number to 734, the answer he gets is 896. So what do you students think that what number did he make with this digit cards so that he can get the answer 896? Yes, when he added 162 with 734, he got the answer 896. Now, let's use column addition to find the answer. When we add 5 plus 2, we get 7. When we add 8 plus 5, we get 13. We will write 3 down and 1 will be carried to the next number. So, when we add 5 plus 2, we get 7 and plus 1 we get 8. Let's do this word problem. Emmy and Emily. collected some superhero action figures. Amy has 174 while Emily has 156 action cards. So how many do they have together? While adding these two numbers, you get the answer 330. Wrap up time, my dear students. There are two 3-digit numbers. Following are the digit cards you can use to do this question. You have to use the card only once. To make the smallest possible total, where should we put the digits with the lowest value? And what about the digits with the highest value? For example, the lowest number will be 146. When you add 146 with the highest possible 345, the result we get is 491. Did you get a different answer? Show me what the answer is. It can be this as well. You can add 145 plus 346 as well. So to make the smallest possible total, we should make any two numbers where the digits with the lowest value are in the hundreds column and the digits with the highest value are in the ones column. Now, can you tell me which digits have been blasted off? When we add 8 plus 3, what we get? You're right, we get the answer 11. Now 1 will be carried to the next one. So when we add 2 plus 6 plus 1, we get the answer 9. So my dear students, I hope you all have understood now about column addition. So thank you for your time. The next class. Goodbye.